Hello, phone in. So to start off, I just want to say I guess thanks because we're getting a decent amount of views now. And I barely started, damn, a month ago. Damn, low key, I've been on this eval for a month. Then again, the trades I've been actually no, I blew my account 2 weeks ago. It's in 2 weeks. Okay, never mind. But yeah, I wanted to say thank you because we've gained over 20 subscribers in the last month. 20 subscribers, and we're averaging at least 200 views. Besides this one, no one ever wants to see me lose money. Anyways, yeah, I just want to say quick thank you for that. But to get into today, I caught over 1,500 ticks trading M&Q today, and it was simple. I actually call it the April 10th incident because of how much of a core memory this was today. So we're gonna go over here to my Instagram. First off, if I don't know if anyone's interested, but this is my Instagram right here. Um, so yeah, check this out. This was kind of today's recap. I'll get into it on the charts, but um, we had a huge day yesterday, and I was initially coming into today is Thursday, April 10th, to target this previous high because we made some relative equal highs. But as you see here, I said I want to wait until the previous day equilibrium was hit. So boom, that gets hit. This is my idea. We hit the equilibrium. We start displacing with a 1 minute CISD. And all right, 5 minute below us, 1 MEQ. If you're digging to the CISD, I'll add the rest. So there was SMT actually at that FEG, so I just kind of ran without it. So I'm like, damn, kind of sucks. But I was still interested in the FEG because it was in discount, new hourly coming up, and well, that was really it. I don't know. Oh, it was OTE. It was OTE. So took that, and then mentor Daniel Alcazar over here was like doubting my trade. So I'm like, look, if I'm right, wire me a transfer in Zelle for a Chipotle bowl. He said, you got me with 15 bucks. Bang. I ended up TPing a little early. I'll show you in the charts, but oh, okay, hold on. Wait, we gotta edit. I TP like a little over 1,500 ticks because ES took it first. But this is currently my biggest trade of the year. I went in small size. I'll show you something else right now, but I created a sort of a guideline on how I'm going to trade with at least my position sizes, um, depending on the ranges. So it was a really big range. My this buy side liquidity was over 300 points. So yeah, so I went in 3 MEQ total. I took a partial on accident. I was like trying to mess around with limits, but oh well. I mean, I made 1,500 bucks by the way. Uh, here's him zelling me. Here's me having fun, and then I made it to the Chipotle. So yeah, that was that. Um, real quick too, this is my new trading rule. When the range is absurdly large, 500 plus, 3 to 5 MQ. Slightly smaller, 2 to 300, 6 to 9. I guess I could have done that, but I didn't really. It was kind of 50-50 when we actually got into the trade opportunity. But anyways, let's go to the trade itself. So here we have it. Like I said in the beginning, I wasn't looking to take any trade until we reached the previous day equilibrium because my lesson to you guys, equilibrium is key, bro. It's the perfect rebalancement of any move. So because the range was so large, I actually didn't want to dig in lower. So I'm like, all right, let me wait for confirmation. And as of late, I've been studying up the 5 stages of reversal, and I saw all of them. You know, the IFEG for me on I think it was a 5 minute. Uh, yeah, IFEG, M1 CISD, breaker block, like it was all there. It was all lining up. And so what I was looking for was this 5 minute FEG initially, but we had SMT and ran out with that, something like that. Then we came to this M1 CISD, tagged me in. You know, my stops after this displacement out, my stops are now at this low, and it was just a straight rally. It took a little over a TP here. It was a 24-minute trade. That was kind of long, and I mean now you can see here I'm at 154,000, so I'm practically caught up with my losses from the Monday and Tuesday. This is a bro. Open the 4-hour chart, bro. Look, bro. Look at Wednesday, dude. The 10 o'clock candle, not even 11. I was waiting for CPR or FMC meeting minutes, bro. Freaking Drake candle over here. Hello. Anyways, yeah, it was a trade. It was pretty simple. I mean, it's my biggest trade, but the range is just kind of big right now. That's kind of how we're trading, you know. Our average stop losses now have to be at least be like $100. Like there's no avoiding it. I say, look, TP was 319 points. It's pretty great. It's pretty cool. My biggest trade of the year. It's nice, but yeah, we went to the fourth dev reversal, and yeah, it was pretty easy. Clear power of three too, like stupid clear. So yeah, just trying to make it quick. Not much else to say. I don't know. Hoping to pass this account now sooner than later because I don't want to rebuild on the 23rd. But anyways, yeah, M1CISD discount OTE 5-minute FEG. The candle closures. Look, this is another thing that actually gave me more confirmation. It's the way these 5-minute candles closed that gave me the higher probability that my trade was gonna play out. I'm just always looking for these 5-minute closes, and I didn't put the screenshot on my story, but that's one of the reasons I actually trusted him more. But yeah, all right, phone him. Goodbye, phone him. Good luck, phone him.